Hello.
Hello, Ali. How are you?
Oh, hi, Anand. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How's everything?
Uh, yeah, good, good.
Good.
Do you just felt like,
Yeah.
uh,
It looked nice over here. Made a support, then broken
yeah,
the support.
yep, I wanted to take a sell over here, but since it was really bullish, I got confused and I didn't take it.
Yeah. Everything's still bullish at this
So,
point. Like the 4 hour.
exactly.
No, it was bullish, but the the daily,
It-
the weekly.
mhm. Yep. So it's just making a pullback. We don't know when it's gonna go up again.
Yeah. It might do something like this
Yep. Exactly, exactly. This is what I
because
had in mind.
like it needs to kind of print a candle at least till here.
Mhm. Yes. Can I see the forearm?
Yeah, this is 4 hour, I think.
It is
Hello,
four. So,
Hello, Mr.
yeah.
Farhan. How are you?
good. How are you?
Good, good, good.
What happened to GU?
Did you kept flying?
No, no. Like it
Oh,
fell like in this after 8 a.m. in 15 minutes. It like it
So thank you for coming late, guys. We missed the move.
It's okay. I'm sorry. I mean, I didn't know you were there. I was there yesterday. You were not there. I mean, okay. We need to finalize it. Okay, if you have to come at 8, so we'll finalize it, and then it's 8.
I'm coming 8:30 because every time I come early, no one is
No.
here.
Okay, because you see, it's not confirmed. Everybody. Okay, once you like, you say 8:30, so people come at 8:30. Now, if you say from Monday onwards, everybody's coming at 8. 100%, I'll be here at 8.
All right. Let's see.
Is it 8?
8 o'clock.
Okay, fine. But if
Yeah,
no,
because I was also here yesterday at 8. So.
yeah.
Okay, it's finalized. 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Unless if you guys want to start 8:30, then no problem.
No, I'm happy with 8.
Okay. What's crazy is like, see GJ, right? This weekly came down far, broke in 2 weekly lows, and now it's about to flip, and it's also about to do like the setup, right? I'm not sure I might do it today because it's last day, right? But like it's kind of showing there. But looking at GU made a rejection off the monthly support, and now it's going up. I don't think this one's gonna end up closing bullish. There's no way. I don't think so. So there's one or two ways of what's gonna happen. It could either range over here till Monday, we get like the candle to fill this zone, or we could fill it today to the upside. So we have this bearish 4-hour candle, right, closing. So we might get the same scenario as here if it doesn't break the previous low. But looking at this daily, if it comes back, it breaks its own low, then shit, it's gonna continue moving down.
It should. Holy, where the fuck did it travel all night? Just looking at the charts. The GG especially.
Yeah, that point in time would have been like 100. It went good that. It never returned from there.
Yeah.
118 pips. That would have been 120 something.
Something.
From yesterday?
Yeah, like that. Because I took the trade right here when it broke.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're waiting on everyone to send us some charts.
You have to send an hour before your stream, when the stream starts.
The stream is on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I was bored. Let's do breakdown on gold. Oh man, I don't even want to bother looking at gold right now. GJ looks nice.
GJ has Jew has already made the move.
GU?
Now, yeah.
Yeah, I know. It was 8 and I was like, Forex gang, where are you guys? I'm like, come on, let's take this sell.
That's okay. Okay, I'm just gonna send you my.
Lauren, I'm too confused with this downtrend move.
This one here?
Yeah.
You could look at it as like a retest. Okay, so like looking at this 4 hour, right? You see, or let's look at the daily. You see how it's like clean traffic right here, and you have like a support formed, and you have this another candle made a higher high. So this one should continue going till 38.084, right? But looking at the 4 hour, this one closing bearish, kind of indicating like a support. So we won't know it's like a we won't know it's a resistance until it breaks the lower low to continue moving down, right?
Yes.
So right now at this point it's just like a support being formed. If it comes down somehow, breaks that low, then that's a different scenario. We'll look for a candle to close below 37,535. But if somehow continues moving up and we get a candle closing, say around 750, that's good. Like that's a good sign. Around 930, we should continue to take it up to fill this wick here and go even further, possibly till the original point, which is 38,000.
Okay. Just labeling my charts.
Ooh, this thing is coming. It's broken the support. Ooh, this thing's gonna fall.
Closed without any wick.
Yeah.
30 minute. If it is breaking the 4 hour, then it's not stopping.
The low?
Yeah. So basically,
One sec.
okay. So right now it went and almost tapping to this 30 minute support, which is at 1.37485, this yellow line. It's almost like about to tap to that area.
Yeah.
So what I want to see, like if a candle closing below that support, and if this blue line is the previous 4 hour wick, if that is broken, so I will willing to take the target to 37,309.
But what is the range
From there,
from here?
from that blue line to the target, it's 11 pips.
Okay. So you want to enter here to this target here?
Yes. Because on the left hand side, at least the move was clean, going up.
Yes.
Oh, God.
And for buys above this area?
Oh yes, yes, exactly. So even above that yellow line. Why? Because there is a resistance to the left hand side on 1 hour at that point, on 37,960 area.
Okay. Yes. Yeah, this right here. Shit, you're early. Yeah, we're early today, 8 o'clock. But Monday, the stream is gonna start at 8:30. But everyone's gonna be here by 8.
Yes.
So if this one just respects this zone, they're just gonna tell me it's making higher highs at this point, and it's gonna continue moving up. Cool. 5G doing okay? I don't know, man. Like this internet, sometimes it just cuts off and just doesn't work. Like it's annoying. I gotta get it fixed. Mr. Farhan, do you think that booster shit works for the internet?
No, I have returned it.
Fuck.
So I got it for like $60 from Amazon.
Yeah.
but it was just okay.
Like it wasn't doing anything major.
Not me. Yeah. Just call them. Like I called them, and they remotely logged into my router and did some Wi-Fi optimization and stuff like that. Just try calling them on Diesel.
That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, Mr. Omar has text on the chart. Nice, nice. Very good example.
Yeah, man. Good boy. Okay, so if we are looking for cells, I would say wait for a break and close below this area or some sort of resistance to bring it either here or test this area. Or if you're looking for buys, even though this is range here, when I was making it, this candle didn't come like this. But anyways, if you're looking for a buy, I can say we can wait for a break and close here, anticipating the new off push is going to push it further through this area and go up, or wait for this area to break and close and correct this move.
Yes.
Yeah, I like your idea on the gray line. 37,759. Yeah, here. Because then we honestly, like even with this 8 a.m. candle, like I was thinking, like if it breaks the other two on the left, so it's a good buy to take it up till the resistance, because we have a good range.
Yeah.
But it never went up, it went down.
Yes. Very good, very good.
Because if you in around open 15 minutes, like we got a very nice spot created, and it was breaking up, but this 9 a.m. candle just came down.
You mean
Like
8 o'clock?
on 50, I know, yeah, on 15 minutes, if you go to 15 minutes, see the candles at 7:30 and 7:45. 7:30 and 7:45, like it made this support, and it closed bullish.
Yeah.
7:30, 7:45, and then this 8 a.m. 15 minutes just came down.
Yeah. Because like this stopped in on like a resistance, and
Yes.
it's kind of doing this like downtrend now until it find like a major support, and now kind of this like a major sort of range. So we have one or two options. Like now, if this gonna break the high and go close back into the range, that's a really good sign for it to continue moving up. But I want this 4 hour to close bearish. Then it would be excellent.
So basically your line, your big gray line is this area all marked as well, but Farhan said that we should wait for not the big gray line, but the second small gray line, right?
Which one?
Okay, with my analysis, when I said break and close either here or here for bias.
Yeah.
So is that what you're saying too, that we have to do it, we should wait for this one to be broke or closed, right, and not this one?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I thought you
That's the arrow from here.
yeah. Now, looking at 30 minutes, if you open the 30 minutes, if it comes, the next candle comes and breaks this low, which is your setup, would you wait for it to break and close here, or just get into it?
I would just get into it.
Even though this one is a little support here. From here it went all the way up. Don't you think that is support? But I think with the volume in the market, because it will be coming down, I think it's not gonna care for this little piece of shit.
Yeah. 100%.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's gonna go down because like it's respecting the previous low at this point. There's 20 minutes. See, this 1 hour might even reject and close above this gray line. This kind of reminds me of like yesterday a 5-minute candle. Oh, look, I made a head and shoulders. There is news out there too, so I don't think there's any news, like any major events. Let's see. Like only retail sales that was like in London. Let's see. The retail sales, it's bad. Creators go for the currency, so the pound should have dropped. Why was it flying? Yeah, nothing for the USD. What the fuck is that? What is this? Oh shit, imagine you.
What happened?
Imagine there's like, you're in a trade and there's this wick right here. I don't know what is this? Oh shit, that's the trend line. If the daily was bullish, then it would make sense to take buy on GU.
So it has tapped on one. It had tapped at 37,676.
Yeah.
Hi Ali, how are you? I just hear his voices, but I never talk to him.
You should talk to him, man. Why? How come you can ignore somebody like that? Especially
Yeah,
a person
exactly.
like Ali,
Yeah.
who's
Yeah.
a pro at giving analysis on 5 minutes.
Yeah, Ali, open 5-minute chart and send her your analysis.
Yes.
5 minutes. Okay. 5.
I hear a sound, then I realize he's also there.
Yeah.
Where's Mr. Sean?
I think he might not come today. He is really very busy today. Today it's the last day at some official
He
thing.
is there. He's there.
Guys, I'm here.
Oh, okay. You
Yeah.
told me last night that you were really busy. I thought.
I will be
Shani,
going in
Omar
a
doesn't
week,
want
yeah.
you to be here.
Yeah,
Man.
yep, I can sense that.
And if you ever say that, fuck you. Yeah, how much I want you here. Everybody knows.
You have to call out the gold trades. So Omar can
Gold.
enter.
He's not gonna call out gold trades, I can tell you.
Yeah, gold trades. Yep, nothing at the moment.
Nice. Sean
Gold
indicator.
move for buys is gone now. It broke the
Yeah.
previous 30-minute candles and it went 20 pips.
Chan doesn't care where gold goes anymore. He told he's
Wow, look
He's
at that.
left
It
gold.
was Noran setup.
Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Also on the 30-minute as well.
Yes.
But you know, like, it works best when, because this is a downtrend. I wouldn't like recommend it to do it like this, unless if it was ranging here and went bullish and it made the rejection, take it up. If it's a downtrend and it makes it pull back up, rejects, take it down. Like what this going down and then going up, rejecting, then taking it up, it's not, because it's still within the range too. So the probability for this, like, even though it worked out, but it's risky. This music's making me fall asleep.
good job we can't hear that music. Open the 30-minute.
Good.
Ali's in his own world, making his analysis on in his mind and saying,
Yes. He's very into it.
I'm still waiting for your analysis.
Yeah, Ali.
You know, at the moment, you see, at the moment it got rejected from 4 hours. See?
Yeah.
Bro, Ali, this UC does not help. You have to send the chart.
Yes,
Yeah.
send us a chart. Wow, this thing is flipping, man. Come on, close bearish.
We can have.
Nuran, you know, Farhan, Ali, and Shan, they're all from the same town from Pakistan.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice, nice. Me too.
Me too.
Just few countries down.
Yes, yeah.
I'm actually from Umar's towns as well.
Yeah.
So you guys are all from the same town.
Essentially.
Because the town he's referring to is probably like 2 hours away from
Oh,
the. Yeah. So they're close towns. Yeah.
Oh, yes, modified one.
Or my current town is also 2 hours away from.
Oh yes, that's very true.
MT5 chart on the 4-hour looks nothing like the 4-hour. Let me see. It looks the same to me. The only thing that I see that's not the same is this one is bullish. That's the only difference.
Someone's angry.
When GU doesn't go in your direction. Oh, my broker, that is. My broker has it bullish. Yeah, certain brokers, they play with the candles.
Guys, is it raining in Mississauga?
Man, it was
Yeah,
raining all night.
all night.
Raining.
So dark today.
Yeah. Shit. 9 degrees. Finally, some heat.
Yes, sir.
Sprinkle Spring. Good morning. I'm new here. Hello, what's up? Different liquidity pods, I guess. Yeah, the brokers just, they do whatever they want with the candles. I am from the Caribbean. Nice. We're international now. Sprinkle Spring. Subscribe to this channel, give a like so other people could find out about it. Smash the like button, guys. Yes. Thank you, Forex Frank. I have not taken any trades for the day. Is there one I could possibly take today? So far at this point, no. There's no trades. And if you're new, I wouldn't recommend trading on Friday. Especially if you made money this week or if you lost money this week. Because if you made money, you want to like secure your whatever you made. If you lost money, you don't want to lose more. So when the position represents itself, then we could take it from there. Paper trade it, yes, for sure.
Bear with me.
Thank you for the advice. No problem. Yeah, so this hourly right now at this point, it's about to close just above this main resistance. So it could either form a support around this area and continue moving up, but nothing so far until we get something closing above 37,780.
Even the 4-hour is closing bullish, a doji bullish, but still closing bullish.
Yeah, I wanted to close bearish.
Why?
Then we have like a support being formed basically to continue moving further.
Further down?
No, further up. Because you know the lows are not, they weren't broken.
How many people must have been fucked on a 30-minute break
Oh yeah,
just on that nipple?
yeah, right here. A lot of people took sells here.
See, GJ. 3 30-minute candle.
Jeez. I'll paper trade this. Once it breaks
But
this,
the stop loss is too far.
it's below the current.
Noran,
That's what I'm saying.
Noran proved yesterday he doesn't care about the big stop losses. He goes with his analysis.
Yes, sir. Nah, you have to make your stop. You have to make your stop make sense. Like, it can be 20 pip stop and like 5 pips target. Nipple break, new strategy. Did you hear that, Omar?
Right? No, what was that?
He said nipple break, new strategy.
Yeah. Nice. It's a new strategy.
Yes.
It's an important strategy. New setup.
Yes, new setup. Yeah, close with no wick at the bottom. So looking at this 1 hour over here, we see this current 1 hour came all the way down, tapped into this support, and now it's rejecting, closing above, indicating possibly making another support to continue moving up to retest this high, right? So there's a minute left for this candle to close above, which is good. If it closes back into the range, then it's not good. So if it closes here, we get the next candle, bullish candle, to break above the previous 1 hour candle. Excellent. And then we're gonna continue moving up. But if I see a candle closing above here, it's even better. But candle breaking that bullish candle, it's a good signal, I would say. But I want to see how it's gonna react. So closed bearish doji.
Goes below that range. Ooh, breaking the high now.
Oh, it's coming up.
Yes.
So what do you guys want to do? Wait for it to close above?
Yes.
Omar?
Yeah, I would wait for above to, yeah, I would wait for it to close above.
Alright. It's getting too much volume.
Yeah. If you have entered based on my one of the analysis, we would have been out.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because I said break, but no, break and close. It didn't close there. But anyways, so my idea was break and close
Yeah.
above 3767.
I'm gonna paper trade this at this point here, because it seems like a good volume. It broke in the hourly bullish at this point. I'm not in the trade, just so anyone knows. I want a candle to close above this range here.
Nope.
I'll wait for the close above. New 1 hour might retrace. Yes. This 1 hour broke in 2 previous 1 hours. so anyone doesn't think deeper.
Mhm.
So what I might do this in this area, I might just like the next 15 minutes candle might make a bearish candle here, creating like some sort of a support, and then the next one breaks that and continue moving to retest this high. Just a scenario.
That's a function for which bracket can be
What are you eating, Mr. Omar?
Bread.
Hey,
The almond butter.
Getting that bread.
Yeah. Bread with almond butter and honey.
Ooh. I don't know, you Pakistani guys, I don't know. You guys like honey too much. I know Rikil puts it on everything. Rikil puts honey on everything. Coffee, tea, food.
Yeah, it's good.
It's good, it's healthy.
Good.
Come on, we just need the 15-minute to close above. Hopefully the next 15-minute breaks it and continues. But I would really want to see like a bearish candle on the 15. That would be nice. So looking at the Nasdaq, it's down at this point, like 0.2%, which is nothing. But that means just like the dollar's kind of been taking a hit. So GU most likely gonna continue moving up. On which time frame did you do your analysis, Omar?
30.
30. Oh, okay. So we're waiting for the 30 to close.
I mean, we could do that on a 15 too, but I've got some reservations on 15 around this area. This area. And this area.
Like for me, my setup is when it breaks this previous 4-hour wick, but it's too high. $14 pips away. But if we do break this high, it's gonna continue going.
Yeah.
So at this point, this 15 minutes closed. So you could either come down a little bit, tap into this zone, and continue moving up, breaks this previous 15 minutes high. You could close bearish, which will be perfect, and we could take it further. Ooh. Anyone want to get in?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see how this is gonna go.
You guys are in?
No, because this one might close bearish. If it comes back up, then I would want to enter.
Yeah. Back up, and if it retraces from there.
Might come to
Might come till
776.
Yeah.
And then if it starts going up,
Yes. It would just be perfect if this closes bearish and respects the low.
Has moved so much bullish.
sorry.
Like overall, it has moved so much bullish in last, like you can say, 30 minutes or 1 hour.
Yeah.
I don't know if it will go to the target.
We'll see. If this closes back into the range here, then it's no good.
yeah.
8:30. So quiet.
Oh, yeah.
What's that?
If it flips, it might go up, you know.
Yeah.
15 minutes.
I really want this to close how it is at this point. Just like this. So if this does close bearish and we get the next candle to come down, because it's going to be New York Open and we might get some volume with that, and it might even break this current 15-minute low. So it might even do that and like just come down here a little bit and then reject back up. No sells, no, unless it breaks like the previous 30 low. And even then it would be back in the range. Who agrees? Mr. Omar? Mr. Farhan? Where are you guys?
At this point, like I'm not
What's that?
looking for a sales right now.
Yeah.
But if this 15-minute closes above that gray line, then we can look for a buy.
Once to break the
And
high.
if it is coming back into this range, like closing below this gray line where it is, so it's back in the range.
Yes. What is no offense? What is the password of Zoom? Oh man. How can you send a... Oh, I could invite Oh shit. Copy invite link. There we go. Can I enter GU? Tom? I don't think you were here. So right now we're waiting. So if this closes where it's at right now, it means that it's creating a support to continue moving up. I would want to enter once to break this bearish high. If somehow this candle closes below this range, then there's a chance it could continue moving down.
Yeah.
Know what I mean?
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
How are you guys?
Bro, can you save the thing? The Zoom link?
How can I save it? I wanted to ask you that.
Do you use the browser or do you use the app?
I use the app.
Okay, so I think it should be there if you put like autosave or something.
I didn't find it.
Because for me, I just click like where the login section and there's an arrow. You click on the arrow and you get few Zoom numbers. And then, is that how it is for everyone too?
Browser search setting already. So I just
Ooh, Mr. Fani cutting off.
can you hear me now?
Yes.
So I'm just using the browser, so the link is already saved the screen.
Oh,
So I just put the pin in.
Oh.
Sorry guys, I was on line.
no problem, no problem. Oops. 30 seconds. Sign up. Last 5 seconds. What is this? What is this? Okay, nice. Alright, so now if this comes up, breaks this high, I would want to enter. Target
Yeah.
this. Yeah.
I agree with you, Nura.
Yes, sir.
Till now I couldn't find how to save this.
Ooh, it's about to be broken on MT4, MT5. Did it break?
It's broken. Yeah. I've entered.
Nice. Beautiful. A few more. Should we wait on the break and close before entering, right? Yeah, I hope you entered. My entry was right here. Beautiful.
Oh.
Now I'm gonna hear Mr. Franz like
Oh.
closing negative. I hope not. Mr. Franz, tell me you
Oh,
secure
no.
some.
Man, Farhan now is saying money, money, money.
Out.
Nice.
Went with a very small position, but
Beautiful.
this was our analysis, guys. Fuck it.
The setup right here
Hmm.
worked out. I didn't enter, although we were waiting on the close confirmation. I don't know, probably said it like a million times. If this closes bearish above this line that's making a support, once it breaks this high, I'm gonna enter.
Hope everybody's secured, man. If nobody's
Yep.
secured,
Sorry.
Farhan,
Yes, I closed everything.
I have to ask Farhan at the first and anybody else.
Yeah.
What about you, Sean? Sean?
I don't think Sean entered. But you know, my setup is gonna be once it breaks this high over here, based off the 4 hour.
Let's see. Beautiful.
Very nice trade.
If this open the 30 minutes,
Open 30-minute, yeah.
yeah. If this, okay, you move that.
30-minute.
30 minute, open 30 minute. Yeah, I had my support here, right? Why I can't see that? Yeah, so if this candle, would have closed here above this area, because that was my initial analysis, right? So on the break of this, I probably would have entered a small position because we would. This is what I said, two areas, right? But so that would have also worked, right? I mean, for the future reference, looking at the volume.
Sorry, say that again.
I mean, if you recall my first analysis, right?
Yeah.
My analysis that I gave. So I said these two areas, this one and a close here or
Yeah.
close here,
Yes.
right? But apparently this one did not close. This would have been exactly the same setup that we took yesterday. That we took yesterday, our first trade, if you remember,
Yes.
right? So that could have been a good entry had this closed, but it's good we didn't take it because it didn't close. We never knew it could have returned back just because it's respected that.
Yeah, exactly.
But just for the future reference, right?
Yeah.
You can keep this setup as well.
The 30-minute close.
If the 30-minute close would have closed above here, because that's two areas I said, 3767 and this one, which is this one. But we
Yeah.
didn't miss the first one, we got the second one.
No, but like, see, like, if this 30 closed below, right?
Yeah.
Then that means this 15-minute would have closed. I mean, if the 15-minute closed below, that means the 30 would have closed below that support. But
Yeah.
since we, like, it came up and then closed bearish above the support, like that was the close basically of the 30, right? And the
So that
entry
was
here.
basically mixture of it was a mixture of our setup and your setup,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
There was double confirmation.
Double confirmation, yeah. I got in with a small lot. I was a little skeptical of it, but they closed with some profit. Did you secure some Forex rank? Like, I don't know, like the way I see, look at that. See, the way I used to like kind of look at the charts was kind of the opposite way, because I'm like, okay, closed bearish 4 hour, that's a big deal. It should continue moving down. But I knew it was gonna continue moving up without it even, like, you know, breaking the low or the high.
What does the 1 hour say?
Hmm.
1 hour tap to the body.
If we would have entered on the 1 hour break, we
4
would
hour.
have. No, if
Oh,
I'm
yeah?
saying if we would have. Yeah. So for us to get this sort of move, because this was like probably what 2-3 minutes trade, hardly any. That's what happened in a long trade.
Yeah, that would have been
Yeah.
a very long trade. This one, you saw how easy it was?
Man, I entered at 9:30 and I was out at
34.
32.
Oh, nice.
Hmm.
If you break the next high, can I buy? So if it breaks this high, I would say, like, there's a chance this thing could go till 38.09.
Okay, well, I think it will just. You see, this is a wick, right? So this means there was a rejection here on a 4 hour.
Yeah,
Might have been, and also even this one, right? This was a rejection.
yeah, it's about to break at this point.
It's
So
just
you
gonna
probably,
make a-
probably will have like 10 more pips.
I mean, the range over here, it's big, right? It's about 16 pips. So Tom, I would say if it breaks this high, just paper trade it. It's Friday, and test your analysis.
Or I would still suggest, was it Tom?
Yeah,
Yeah, I would still suggest if it breaks, wait for at least a 15-minute candle to close above this.
yeah,
Because it can happen is it can break, give you
Yeah.
3-4 pips, and just come back in the range. So
Yes.
at least if you really want to do it, wait for a 15-minute bare minimum. Wait for a 15-minute candle to close above.
yeah.
If not a 30.
Just like we were waiting over here for this thing.
On 37, 960 area, I have a resistance on the left hand side.
7,
Yeah.
950.
Yeah, 960, yes. 950, 960, yeah.
Yeah,
So it can go give few pips and come back.
There's 960 and also
Yeah.
at 935 as well.
Yes.
Or
yes.
It
it's
might
930.
It
930.
might make a 4 hours wick, and
Yeah.
then retrace down.
I think it's a 935 because I think the 960 was, I think it was like a fake out.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah. Just a 9. So it can probably give you 930 or 960. Yeah. Too many wicks, man.
Too many wicks. Like, what you want ideally is for the candle to come up, retest this area, respect this area, close bearish, not below, and then you want it to continue moving up. Once it breaks this high, that's when you enter to continue further. I got only $4 in my account, top with $5 because that's what I had.
You can still go with 0.01 if the book allows you.
No, you
That's
can't.
the pair. No?
With $4?
I think 0.01 you can, yeah. If you have 1 to 500 leverage.
Mr. Tom, I say that's like, I don't know why even bothering with like $5 account. Like that's gonna take you like a million years to get to $100.
I would suggest open a demo account, start trading on a demo account.
Yeah.
You can trade it with us, and once you feel confident, then I'm sure you can manage at least $50 or $100 to top up your account.
Exactly.
Because what will happen is you will be. I know it's only $4, but you know, I'm no one to judge here. But I'm just saying, it will be very hard for you to sort of
Accumulate.
yeah, and you know, it will be difficult for you to function thinking you have only $4 probably if you lose that or whatever, right?
Yeah.
In essence, it's just Tim Hortons coffee, basically.
Yes.
So it's always good to trade on demo. For
Simulation session as well.
Yeah, that's $120 for the license, man.
Yeah.
But if your friends is Nawaf there on the? Is Nawaf listening?
Mr.
Yeah, I am.
Hey.
And it's $120 for simulation session, but if you have some good friends, you can get it for $60.
Yes.
Oh, man. I see. Where is the? It's a fair price, you know.
It's a fair price. You can't beat that.
No.
Hence the name Deals Canada.
I started trading 2 years ago, but been focusing on the course and the demo. But due to the financial reasons, I can't find the account. Well, he can't fund the account.
The account, yeah.
Okay. So, Mr. Tom, I would say, if it's hard, you know, then just don't trade. If you don't have the funds, just don't trade, because there's gonna add more pressure on you, especially in hard times. And when shit doesn't go the right way, it's gonna make you feel even worse.
True.
I rather try than not. I believe in myself and I believe in Forex. I just want to make it out the struggle. Then okay, Forex Frank says something. Yeah, learn and study and practice on a demo account until you can find it. By that time, perhaps you can have learned a great skill. That's a really good advice. But in order to be I think like a good trader, you need to lose a lot. So you know, like you have to get your hands burnt a couple times.
Oh man, I can.
I'm not listening to you.
Give him my personal email address. I'll explain that to him. I can. I can't even see my hands. All burnt out.
Yeah, no one has it like easy.
Is Sean there?
Nah.
Sean. Oh, Sean is too busy, man.
It looks like.
Yes, I'm here. I'm getting ready. Yeah.
There's somebody talking that he has a smaller account, so Noran is suggesting him that the successful trader is one who has lost a lot of amount in the trade, and it's like burning your hands. So I'm like, Give him my personal email address. I'll explain. or it could be you too.
Yeah. Yeah, but we're not successful yet.
Yes.
So that's why I'm saying we can't even see our
Consistently
hands.
successful.
Ooh, it's bread.
Oh, there we go. At this point, I'm gonna do paper trade.
Sure.
So broken the previous 4-hour high. Let's see if this gives 10 pips. Beautiful. Wait,
It will go 10%, 10 pips, man. No, I mean, sorry. I just spoke in my language there, you know. The way it's standing strong.
Ooh.
No, it's holding its grounds.
Yeah.
Khan, did you take a trade with us?
No, I wasn't here.
Forex Frank said he should be an expert then on losing money. That's the thing, like,
Yeah.
you have to lose some money. And people who lose enough and believe in it, they're like, you know what, I'm gonna eventually get this money back if I learn.
If any successful, I mean, I'm not going to say that I'm a successful trader yet, but any successful trader that you see, if you ask them, they
lost
there's
money.
there's none who hasn't lost their or blown an account or whatever.
Yeah.
Before they.
It's a learning curve.
Yeah.
Nuran, you took like 4 positions?
Oh no, man, these are paper trades.
No, so what happened, I thought was a half a lot. I'm clicking, right? And I'm looking at the number, but it was like, what the it's only 5 cents loss. I was like, what the fuck is this? So I entered another one, like another half a lot, just around the same area.
If you would have entered your first position, because the first and the second is like 4 pips difference, man.
I know, yeah.
So, that would have been like what? 7 pips altogether.
Yeah.
7-8 pips.
Yeah. Like $70 something. That's okay. It's Friday.
Yeah.
So soon, next week, I think we're gonna have a new month.
Yeah.
On Sunday, it's gonna be a new change for the hourly London candle.
The London time will change from Monday?
Yeah, I think it's either Monday or Sunday.
What's gonna happen?
The London, so basically daylight saving happened in Canada, right? So London used to close at 10 a.m. here, but now it's closing at 11. So the volume moved up a little bit further, but on Monday it's gonna come back to its original timings, and it will be closing at 10.
I see.
Ooh.
Looks like pushing. Yeah.
I'm very happy ending Friday on a win.
That's nice.
Yeah. What happened with your thing? Nawaf, your deposit.
Yeah, we will talk about it later. It's
Yeah.
just a long story.
Yeah.
Very long story.
You might have to go with unregulated broker.
I think I have to go with a
is the
regulated broker. or a broker that suits my my payment method.
Like credit card, right?
Yeah, credit card.
I think Hugo's way.
But the
No, I
credit card,
found another one. I
but
found,
Black Bull does credit card, right?
No, not
No,
anymore.
they don't.
Vantage does.
Advantages.
They don't take it anymore, people, I think.
They don't take it from Canada. It's not in Canada. I'm 100% sure they're still taking people from Middle East. You need to put in here.
Yeah, message Vantage and see.
No, I don't.
Why? But you had an account with them.
Yes, they had, but I don't want to deal with them anymore.
Yeah. So let's call it a day, guys.
Sure.
Call
Yeah,
it
we
early
can.
on Friday. Enjoy the day.
Just take care, everyone.
Are you all
Take care.
See you
leaving?
guys on Monday.
Yeah, well, you want us to stay? You can tell us your story?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna exit the stream.
Yeah, just-
People on YouTube, we'll see you guys Monday. Thank you for coming, like and subscribe.